saying? Jermaine, man. Big D, man. Here to, about to get into a little review real quick. Comment down below, man. Y'all picked up the Cherry 13s. I had them on a little video, a little mall vlog the other day. Go ahead, check that out. Then we got the comment down below, man. How y'all doing on these, man? Anybody out there caught the 4th grade 5s? Still got pairs, man. Hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on all platforms. Find it. And yeah. But today, man, we're gonna get into yesterday's pickup, man. Bye. Got the Air Max. See the all over gray, black. What they call that colorway? Air Max 95 Big Bubble. Black, neon, yellow, cool gray. Black, this is size 11.5. You see from the video, you know what I'm saying, from the pickup. Dope box, man. Yeah, I had to try it, yeah, because the last pair I had, the 20s, what was that, 19, 20, 20, whatever. Yeah, the last pair didn't have, I mean, it was a little tight, so I remember that, so that's why I got 11.5. But yeah, man. Jones on deck. Bye out, man. You know what I'm saying? Even though they available, I had to bring them on the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? On the strength. Out of just sheer respect, man. You see all the other shoes paying homage. I even seen them pay New Balance. Try to have a grade, you know what I'm saying, with the little hit of that lime green. What they calling it again? Yeah, neon yellow. Yeah, so I see pairs with the little neon yellow hits on it, man. I see they trying, but you know what I'm saying? Bang, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the 3M popping. See how I go up. Real quick, man, I'm just gonna show, since y'all already seen these, I'm gonna show a couple other pairs that, you know what I'm saying, as I say, pay homage. Got these joints. Bye out, man. I'm saying, do a side by side real quick. You know, boom. We got the front. You know what I'm saying? Got the 3M on the laces. We got the 3M strip right there. Bang. Got the bolt on the inside. 3M on the heel. You know what I'm saying? You got the little vault bubble. Air bubble, man. Dope suede on there. Same as these, man. You got 2 dope pair of kicks. And then there's another pair paying homage. We got the Nike Air Max 95 JD exclusive, black vault anthracite. Take a look at these. Do a quick side by side, man. Bang, man. So you got the swoosh, the outer, the bubble brothers. I say the Air Max air bubble is like a tad bit bigger because it is the big bubble. Yeah, which I think, yeah, it does look big on camera, yeah. So you got the, you know what I'm saying, the outer, pretty similar, except for this, coming up the mid. So it's pretty reversed, where it starts out light here, it starts out black here. So yeah, these are the JD exclusive joints, very dope. You know what I'm saying? So it's reversed on the inside. This got the vault in black, this got the black and vault. So yeah. So you know. But yeah, man. Yeah, I just wanted to get these, you know what I'm saying, quick little look on the outer 20 PSI. That's that's like a tie. Like a bike tie or something. Nike Air 25 PSI, 5 PSI. You know what I'm saying? You got the air marks down there. You got big air bubble, 3M, man, Nike Air on top, bang. Says Air Max on the inside. Yeah, black midsole, man. Got this cool gray, wolf gray on your uppers, man. Got the white netting, the OG style white netting. Pop it out, man. So yeah, man, appreciate y'all for stopping through, man. That's it for these. You know what I'm saying? Just had to show them a little love real quick, you know what I'm saying? Hope everybody having a divine Sunday. I'll be back with, you know what I'm saying, as the heat comes through or comes in or what have you. You know what I'm saying? But until next time, man, I get age not your shoe size. Treat yourself, never cheat yourself. And yeah, we out of this thing, baby. ABC.